Hello, I'm Terrel Platt with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by CattleFax. Beef demand has been exceptional throughout the first half of the year, driving remarkable strength in the market thus far. The trimmings market in particular highlights continued consumer appetite for ground beef. Both 90% lean trimmings and 50% lean trimmings have surged to historically high levels. 90s are trading at fresh all-time highs, while 50s have approached price levels last seen during the summer of 2020. Robust pricing in the 90s market has driven record cold cow values, with non-fed supplies constrained as producers work to stabilize herd inventories. This strength has also supported the overall cutout, as whole muscle, chuck, and round items are increasingly diverted to grind to supplement lean trim supplies. The 90s market is expected to remain well supported over the next 30 to 60 days, ranging between $4 to $4.20 per hundredweight before decreasing seasonally into the fall as non-fed slaughter picks up. Meanwhile, the 50s trim market appears more vulnerable to a near-term correction. Prices doubled from $1.30 to $2.60 per hundredweight over the past month, driven by harvest disruptions and seasonally declining carcass weights. That rally added an estimated $100 per head to fed cattle values. As harvest levels increase and carcass weights begin to recover in July, 50s are forecast to correct back towards $130 to $140 per hundredweight, which would reduce the cutout by approximately $10. Turning to this week's markets, trade was moderate in the north at $238 to $240 live and $380 dressed, which is $8 higher live and $10 higher dressed than last week. Trade in the south so far has been light to moderate at $228 to $230 live, which is $4 to $6 higher than last week. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.